Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see the cute easy drawing of kangaroo, and I'll show some facts about kangaroo. Before that, just click the subscribe button to our channel for get more videos like this. Yeah, now let's go. Fact number 1. Kangaroos are wild mammal. Number 2. The largest species of kangaroo is red kangaroo. Number 3. Kangaroo are fast movers. They usually travel at around 32 to 40 kilometers per hour. Number 4. Kangaroos are brilliant jumper and they can leap as high as 10 feet. Number 5. Researchers have found that they mostly use their left hand to carry out their tasks like eating and grooming. Number 6. Kangaroos are herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, flowers, etc. They chew it twice, just like a cattle. Number 7. Kangaroos produce 2 types of milk, one for the newborn and another for mature joys. Number 8. Kangaroos can swim too. Number 9. Male kangaroos love to box. Number 10. Kangaroos are mainly active at night. Number 11. Kangaroos are symbol of Australia. Number 12. Kangaroos have few predators. Number 13. There are 4 main species of kangaroos in the world. They are Western grey kangaroo, Eastern grey kangaroo, red kangaroo, and Antilopian kangaroo. I hope you like this cute easy drawing of kangaroo and facts about kangaroo. If you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.